Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have an unboxing. Yes, I do. It is still March, and I still have, this is the last item that's coming in the mail. Before I share the unboxing, I have something else to share with you all. So if you're here to see the surprises that I have for you, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. So before I get started, y'all, I did just get my hair done. I got my hair braided. I threw this hair on because I have a big forehead and my hair is not ready to be pulled up. So I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and throw this hair scarf on and make it look cute, do what it do. So we go ahead and get into this hair unboxing. This was sent to me by Rose Forever, and I have worked with them a few times here on this channel. So if y'all been watching me, y'all already know. Set of their roses, these hair roses, if you like myself who loves flowers and roses, you would definitely love these because of the fact that they last for over a year. The second one that I had and the first set that I got were the black roses. Like, it was black with the white roses. They're still holding strong, you all. Like, they're still holding on. And these here were the pink. These were sent to me back when they had the breast cancer awareness month in October. So this is when they sent these to me. So with that being said, let me pick some more flowers, because if y'all didn't know, it is Women's Month. I'm sure you got a sister, mom, cousin, auntie, a niece, or whoever that love flowers just like I do. Y'all may want to go ahead and take advantage of Miss Tamika's discount code. Information as far as the discount code, the link for these flowers will be linked down below. And let me just tell you all, you will not be disappointed. Like, with you or a mom or someone in your life really special, these are perfect because they don't have to water them. They don't have to sit them in sunlight. They don't have to do any of that. And that is a triple plus for me, because if y'all didn't know, my flower in there is like hanging on because I don't know how to really take care of plants and flowers. Well, flowers I just water because, you know, flowers only last for like a week or so. Y'all, let me just tell you, they sent over, mentioned the packaging, it comes in like a big old box, says Rose Forever. If y'all ever purchase these flowers, let them know down below how nice these flowers are. Like, they are so worth the money. I want to just say really quick thank you to anyone who used my older links in my past videos. Thank you all, because of y'all, this is what gives me the opportunity to share things like this. So again, whoever used my link, thank you so much. And whoever do decide to use my link after watching this video, thank you in advance. I'm just saying thank you, because I really appreciated you all. Because if y'all didn't know, I love flowers so much. Like, if you know me, I love flowers. So as you can see, the box is huge. Mother's Day coming up, we got graduation, we got birthdays, we got Easter. So y'all, I'm telling you, grab you some flowers forever. I'm telling you, they will love you forever and ever. Because these here, all I do is I take the top off, and I usually put the top underneath because I like to have it all sitting together, like all together. So what I usually do is I take the flowers and I put them at the bottom. I got you all. If you are sensitive to smell, you won't have nothing to worry about. I'm telling you now, because the smell is not strong. You barely can smell. Since you're the one that's sensitive to everything, you don't gotta worry, because they don't have no smell. Like, you can sit these somewhere, you don't have to worry about having that flower smell lingering on. No. And y'all, I don't know where I'm gonna put these hair flowers at, but I am going to find somewhere to put these hair flowers, because when I tell you, they are freaking gorgeous. Like, gorgeous. Like, look, I don't have nowhere to put them. I don't. Just telling you, so gorgeous. Now, depending on where you put these at, sometimes I do see a little bit of lint on the box. I usually do is I have a lint roller, and I'll just take it and rub it across, and it's clean. Like, it's wiped right off. I'll try and leave the discount code across the screen. If not, make sure you pull down the description box and you get all the information. I'll have the link for this particular size. Now, if you don't want this big size, they have smaller sizes, but of course, you know, I had to go big or go home. So again, you all, I will link everything down below. And again, thank you to everyone who did use my link before. I really appreciate it. Y'all, real quick, now, videos that I just uploaded not too long ago, they done really well, to the point where I'm not sure, but I think it may have something to do with the title. I don't know how to fix the title, whereas though every video I upload gives me those same results. So if you see that title, don't mind the title. Read the description box, because it will give you information on what that particular video is about, because I just want to see if it's the actual title that's pushing my videos out like that, because I used that title twice and it did very well. So if it's the title, you all, your girl may be riding on that title for a while until, you know, until the wheels fall off, because it helped push my videos out and it also helped with my subscriber count. So don't mind the title, just read the description box and it will give you information on what that particular video is about. And two, I can figure out how to, I don't know, figure out something. So if I upload another video and switch the title, I can get the same results. So I just wanted to put that out there. So don't think every video is going to be Louis Vuitton. It's only like that because for some reason, whatever keywords is in that title is working for my channel, you all. So I just wanted to put that out there. This is my birthday gift, y'all. Now this here, I have been looking at it for a while because a pair of sneakers. I've been looking at the Golden Goose sneakers, to be exact. And my family thinks I'm crazy because if y'all don't know, Golden Goose are a pair, like they are custom made sneakers and they are meant to look worn down. A little pricey. But like I said, working at my Sephora, I've been seeing so many ladies come into my store with those sneakers on where I'm like, okay, I think I like these sneakers. I did try a pair on. That's why you have to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it across the screen. I ended up liking those sneakers, but those sneakers was $1,200. I said to the lady, I tried on the wrong kind of sneakers, because clearly I'm not paying $1,200 for no sneakers. A bag, yeah, but not no sneakers, because I don't wear sneakers that often to pay that kind of money. I love finding these here particular sneakers on the Neiman Marcus website. I am on because I wanted to know what size. Like I'm a 7.5. The 7.5 fits. No, not the 7.5, because they don't come in half sizes. The 7 fits, but I didn't like my toe. Like I wanted room. I could have went with the 7 because I did hear that they do end up stretching out. So fingers crossed these here are not too big, because like I said, after watching reviews on these particular sneakers, I did hear that they do eventually stretch out. I mean, you know what, these are the Steve Madden shoes. Well, since I got these here, let's go ahead and look at these Steve Maddens real quick. These here I ordered because I had some Nordstrom notes and they were on sale. I was like, okay, I did purchase these already and I had to return them because I got a size 8 and the 8 was way too big. Before I lost weight, I was an 8. Now since I lost weight, I'm like back to my normal shoe size. But in my mind, I still feel like I'm an 8. Like I can fit a 7, 7.5. I need to probably just get my foot size just to really see, because I'm not an 8 anymore. Even when I went into Neiman Marcus to try on some red bottoms, I asked for an 8 and the 8s were too big. So getting these hair shoes, you all, were comfortable when I tried them on, but like I said, the gap was so big in the back, whereas though they were like flopping off, and I was like, So I am going to try these on. I'm not going to sure you are following me on Instagram, because if I do decide to insert a picture, I'll insert one here. If not, it'll be sometime on Instagram when I will upload a picture. But yeah, you all, these here shoes are summer cute. Like I can't wait to throw these on with a pair of jeans, a dress or whatever. We'll try and link these down below because they are on sale. So when stuff is on sale, a lot of times a lot of things is always sold out. So I did get those today too, so I was like, I might as well show them. They wasn't part of my Christmas. It wasn't a part of my birthday gift, but I just felt like sharing because, you know, it's summertime and I know y'all like wearing shoes just as much as I do. I tell you all, I had came home after getting my hair done and rushed, threw myself together because I wanted to look put together, showing my sneakers. Now here are the Golden Goose. I thought that was the Golden Goose. These did come from Neiman Marcus. I ordered these before my birthday, but they were on back order. They didn't ship until March the 7th. And what's today? Today is the 10th. So it did take a little while, and I don't know if it's because mines were on back order. My very, very, very first pair of Golden Goose. So it comes in this here like gray box. It has what do it say? Golden Goose sneakers. Very, very, very first time looking at these sneakers, so we both gonna look together because, like I said, I didn't peek. So yeah, it says, "Dear lover, your Golden Goose journey starts here. Fasten your seatbelt and enjoy the ride." Well, it didn't say enjoy the ride. It says, "and enjoy it." And I would like to do with my sneakers, travel back in time, have no regrets, dance to the rhythm of the stars, never be afraid. Okay, so that's cute. Comes with this here little dust bag for dream use only, not designed for other activities. How cute. So this is cute. Shoes come with dust bags because, you know, when you travel, you can always use a dust bag for your shoes, like my Tory Burches. Okay, you all. Moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and open this together so you can see. Now, I did pick a pair that had like extraness to it, meaning glitter, sparkles and stuff, because like I said before, I ended up falling in love with those $1,200 sneakers, and they had like a lot of sparkliness to it. Why I ended up picking up these. Oh my goodness, you all, look at these sneakers. Brother was like, why you spend all that money on those sneakers? I don't know how they supposed to come. Like I said, I never ordered any sneakers from Golden Goose, but here are beautiful sneakers of the glitter on it versus the dirtiness, like the dirtiness or the worn out look is more so on the sole of the shoe. It kind of reminds you of those $1,200 sneakers, and you know your girl didn't pay $1,200, but they kind of remind you of those sneakers. If I have a picture, I will insert that picture just so you can see the difference. You're supposed to like tie it like in a knot where it goes. You don't have to tie it. I don't know how to do that as of yet. I probably would have to watch a YouTube video. The stars do show a little wear to it, and like I said, that's the point of the shoe. They are supposed to look like this. I know, because I remember seeing these shoes like a long time ago. I was like, what is this? Can't spend all that money for them shoes. Look like they worn down. But look, that's why I say never, because look at me. I'm the one buying them now. I don't know why you feel like they didn't come in with like stuff or anything. And you know, I can't really tell because they look worn. So I don't know. I have to watch some unboxing, like an unboxing video just to see like do they supposed to watch stuff, because the front of it already shows crease. See, this one, I don't know, you all. I have to see because they did take a while to come. So again, I'm gonna have to go and see what, I don't know, like they were just thrown in here. I could be wrong, but that's what they look like. So here are the last of my birthday gifts. I did go out and get myself the Golden Goose sneakers. So now I'm gonna have to go online and do some research. Sneakers are not what they supposed to. They will go right to the freak bag because they were not cheap. And I do not like the fact that it had a crease on the front of the shoe, and I didn't put it there. Like, I just don't like that. So I'm gonna go and So, like I said, I'm gonna probably have to watch some videos just to see, because to see how the side of it is like in because of the fact that it wasn't stuck. There is a beautiful view. So yeah, you all, I'm gonna go and have to watch the video. I just hate when things not 100% because sometimes I don't feel like being bothered with you all. Here to end this here video. Don't forget to check out Rose Forever. Again, the link will be listed down below, and also the link for the Golden Goose and the Steve Maddens will also be linked down below. And again, don't forget, don't be alarmed about the title. Just bear with me so I can figure out what's going on, because I'm just trying to see, like I said before, if that title is if it's the title that's pushing my videos out. Because if it is, I'm gonna ride that title for a while, you all. I'm just saying. So with that being said, you all, if you like this hair unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.